Greetings. Today we're going to go out to the Dragonboat Festival. I kind of stumbled upon this event and didn't know much about it, and just kind of enjoyed the excitement. But I found out that it's one of the bigger festivals that occurs in China each year. It's an ancient festival, started about 2,000 years ago, and it celebrates the life and subsequent death of a patriot poet in China named Q Huan. And it's really kind of a neat event, great family event, and lots of fun. Part of the tradition of this ancient Chinese festival is the eating of zongji, which is a rice dumpling or a rice tamale, and that's to help preserve the body. Also, there's the drinking of realgar wine, and that's used to ward off evil spirits. And I'll tell you a little bit about the story of how this actually came about. So kind of a brief synopsis of how this came about, and sorry if I'm a little incorrect on this, but the patriot poet Q Huan committed suicide by going into the river. And to recover his body, they wanted to distract the fish from consuming his body, so they threw rice into the rice dumplings into the river, hence the zongji, and they used the realgar wine to get the dragon that lived in the river drunk. So in my American kind of perspective, it's a drunk dragon race. So from what I understand is that the summer solstice is male energy, and hence dragons are kind of the male energy, so the Dragonboat races. And I think the competitiveness of people brought about that the whole idea of going into the river with boats, you get two boats that are fairly similar, a race is going to ensue. So now we have off to the races. Now, some of the heats that I filmed here are fairly competitive, but there's all levels of racers, and they kind of share the boats amongst these. One thing researching this, I find out that, yeah, you can be really serious about this, or if you're just interested in paddling, they could always use people to help man these boats. So I encourage you, if this looks fun to you, is to do a Google search on dragon boats in your area. Hey, if there's water nearby, there might be a dragon boat fest near you. It looked like a lot of fun. People were having a great time, great family event. to get out and look at the vendors and watch the races, listen to the music and other types of entertainment that they have. So it was a good time by all. Well, I hoped you enjoyed this time at the Dragonboat Fest, and hopefully you'll find one near you. Definitely encourage you guys to go on. It was a lot of fun. We'll see you next time on the next adventure. Bye-bye.